Alright guys, so we got this beautiful hat. My brother bought it from America, but he forgot to take the tag off. So what do we do? So I've been watching YouTube videos. It's one of the ink ones, you see? And the guys they didn't remove the tag. But check this out. So what we're gonna do is apparently use a bag and spin it around this part here. And just try to lift it off. Alright, try it. Experiment number one. Let's see if it works. Not sure if I should make this thin. Alright, we'll start. Let's see if I can get that through in the first place. I'm just gonna feed that through there. I don't know, doesn't look like it's gonna feed through if I'm honest, but it's a thin bag. Maybe I'll try it this way. Doesn't look like it's gonna go through. Okay, hang on. Damn, these are some new tags. I can't even get that through. Listen, if anyone knows how to take this off, please let me know, because I can't even get the bag through. Like, can't literally. Oh wait, hang on. What's happened there? Just lift it off. I mean, I lifted it off my own finger, so I can feed the bag through maybe. I'll keep trying. Nah, it's not gonna. Let me try. Alright. They're saying put like a magnet here. Doesn't stick. Yeah, do that. Alright, I'm just gonna try to get it in. Make it thinner. As thin as it can possibly be. So rip the bag. Let's try it. Let's give it a shot. Oh. Okay, I'm through. Put the bag through. We're gonna turn. So hold one side and just keep turning it. And then keep turning it. Don't want to break it, but let me see. I'm gonna keep turning this, yeah? Oh. Yo, it's off. Look. No way. Oh. Oh, it's out. We done it. Oh my god. Alright, so the bag actually works. There's no ink, as you can see. It's splurted out or nothing. It's safe. There, nothing, no ink come out. And nothing. Mom's really happy. Yes. So the bag works. We got it out. There's no ink anywhere. Everything's safe. Everything's still inside. It's intact. Thank God. So that's how you get it out. You literally just get the bag, spin it around, and it'll pull off. There is nothing there, as you can see. There's a bit of black, but that's from the ink bag. You know, the bag of this. I should have used the plain, but nothing major. Outside's absolutely pristine, nice and white. But yeah, let's put it on my head, and we're good to go. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. Over and out.